Did you know there's a power inside you? A power that can not only make you financially free, but completely transform your life. But sadly, schools and colleges never taught us how to understand money, how to manage it, or how to use it to turn our dreams into reality. David Bach's best-selling book, Smart Women Finish Rich, is a step-by-step guide that gives every woman financial confidence, clarity, and control. Whether you're a working professional, a homemaker, or a student, in this video, we'll uncover how small, consistent habits can transform your financial life, how to connect your goals to your money, and how you can become a smart woman who finishes rich. If you truly want to feel empowered when it comes to your finances, watch this video till the end, because this isn't just about money, it's about your life. Chapter 1. Women and Money, an Overlooked Relationship. David Bach begins the book with a bold and somewhat surprising observation. Most women either don't participate in financial decisions, or they believe it's not their responsibility. The result? Many women end up financially insecure, with little or no savings, and become dependent on others after retirement. But why? After speaking with thousands of women, David found that most of them believe one or more of these three myths. 1. Money is too complicated to understand. 2. Money isn't really my concern. That's my husband's or father's job. 3. I'm too busy right now. I'll deal with it later. But here's the truth. If you don't understand money today, you could lose the freedom you've dreamed about since childhood. Core message of Chapter 1. No one will ever care more about your money than you. David says that women need to start thinking, learning, and making decisions about their money on their own. And it all starts with ownership, accepting that your financial situation is in your hands. He asks a powerful question. If you suddenly received $1 million, what would you do with it? Most women freeze because they've never mentally prepared for that possibility. Key takeaways. Don't be afraid of money. It's your right. Take charge of your money. It's your strength. Financial education isn't optional, it's essential. Now here's a deeper question. If money influences nearly every decision in your life, do you know why you really want to earn it? Is it just to cover expenses? Or is there something deeper you're truly striving for? That's what we'll explore in the next chapter, where we uncover how money connects to your life values. Chapter 2. Know what matters most to you. David Bach asks a deeply powerful question. If money was no longer an issue, what would you truly want to do with your life? Most people go silent because we rarely ask ourselves why we want money in the first place. What true wealth means. David says smart women don't just earn money. They use it to support their core values. Money is simply a tool. The real question is, what truly matters to you? It could be family, health, freedom, time, giving back to society, pursuing your passion. Once you identify your core values, money becomes your GPS, a guide leading you toward a more meaningful life. A simple but powerful exercise. David introduces the values circle. Write down the 5 most important things in your life. Then ask yourself, does your spending, saving, and financial planning support these values? If not, then it's time for change. Core message of Chapter 2. When your money aligns with your values, you feel both financially and emotionally empowered. Don't make financial decisions based on what others say, or what society expects. Make decisions by listening to your own heart. So now, ask yourself honestly, are you spending your money on things that truly matter to you, or on things that only look good to others? Chapter 3. Where are you now financially? David Bach asks another important, yet often ignored question. Do you truly know how much money you have right now? Most women, whether working or at home, can't answer that clearly. And that's one of the biggest roadblocks to financial freedom. Yes, facing the truth might feel uncomfortable, but it's essential. David says that if you want to reach your destination, you need to know exactly where you're starting. Here are the 3 steps he recommends. Step 1. Know your net worth. Net worth equals what you own. Assets minus what you owe. Liabilities. Assets might include your savings, real estate, stocks or mutual funds, gold, retirement funds, PPF, etc. Liabilities might include home loans, credit card debt, personal loans. Once you list everything down, you'll clearly see your true financial position. Step 2. Track your spending. David says, your bank statement tells the truth. Look at the past 3 months of spending. Ask yourself, where are you overspending? Are there recurring expenses you don't need? Does your spending reflect your values? Step 3. Understand your emotional relationship with money. This isn't just about numbers. Ask yourself, am I afraid of money? Do I feel stuck because of past financial mistakes? Do I feel guilt or shame about money? These emotional blocks can keep you from moving forward. Core message of Chapter 3. Clarity is power. Only when you understand your financial truth can you confidently move toward your goals. Now imagine this. If you had to create a financial report card today, would you be in control, or just guessing? Chapter 4. The 7 Lies That Keep Women Financially Weak. David Bach reveals something shocking. Women have been taught 7 powerful lies about money. These myths are so deeply rooted that even smart, educated, hardworking women fall for them. Let's break them down. 1. I'm not good with money. This is one of the most common and damaging beliefs. David says women are naturally good at money. They're responsible, thoughtful, and long-term planners. 2. Money doesn't matter. Many women think money is materialistic. But in reality, money equals freedom. It gives you choices and the life you truly want. 3. I'll never have enough money. This isn't reality. It's a mindset issue. David says, if you believe you'll never have money, you won't. 4. My husband/father/boyfriend will handle it. This mindset creates financial dependence. And things fall apart when relationships change. Or if that person doesn't have financial knowledge. 5. I'm too young/too old to think about money. Not true. David has coached women who were 25 and some who were 65. It's never too early or too late to plan your financial future. 6. Investing is too risky. Risk only exists when you don't know what you're doing. With education and awareness, investing becomes your most powerful wealth-building tool. 7. Money will change me. David's answer: money doesn't change who you are. It reveals it. If you're already kind, wise, and grounded, money will only make you stronger. Core message of Chapter 4. Let go of these lies and start embracing your financial power. Don't be afraid to think about money. Take control of it. Now pause and reflect. Have you been believing any of these 7 lies? Isn't it time to rewrite your money story? In the next chapter, we'll learn 3 life-changing steps women can take to connect their heart and mind and create the life they truly want using their money. Chapter 5. Discover your latte factor. Live your values. David Bach asks a question that could change your direction forever. Are you using your money to live your values or just to survive? This chapter goes deeper than just finances. It explores what money is really for. Personal values equals personal wealth. Women can't experience true financial success until they clearly define their core values. Step 1. Ask your heart. What matters most to you? Quality time with family? Starting your own business? Making a difference in the world? A peaceful and healthy life? Your money should flow toward where your heart lives. What is the latte factor? The latte factor is a metaphor for those small daily purchases that quietly steal your wealth. That $5 latte, that impulsive online order, that subscription you forgot about. If saved and redirected, this money could become your freedom fund. What smart women do: they bring clarity to their daily decisions. Before making an emotional purchase, they pause and ask, does this serve my values? David says it's not about earning more. It's about using what you earn with intention. Main message of the chapter: when you align your money with your values, you don't just build wealth, you feel fulfilled too. Now, an important question for you. Have you ever truly thought about what your core values are? And are your financial decisions aligned with those values? In the next chapter, we'll explore a powerful 3-step plan to design your dream financial life, practically and purposefully. Chapter 6. Create your automatic millionaire plan. David Bach shares one of the biggest secrets to financial success: automation, letting your money work for you automatically. Most people get so caught up in managing their money manually. They delay decisions, forget important steps, and end up just surviving instead of growing. But smart women don't do that. Pay yourself automatically. David says the very first person you should pay is yourself. And you should automate it. Here's how. 1. Every month, set a fixed amount from your salary to go into your savings or investment account. 2. Make this process completely automatic so you don't have to think about it, but it still happens. 3. Save first, and then handle your bills and expenses. David calls this method the automatic millionaire system. The magic of compound interest. Even small investments made consistently can grow exponentially thanks to compound interest. Over time, your small, consistent contributions can grow into thousands or even millions without the daily stress. Another pro tip: create separate accounts for each goal. Have different accounts for emergency fund, retirement fund, vacation fund, dream home fund, and give each one a fun nickname like Paris Trip Fund or Freedom Fund, so you stay emotionally connected and motivated to save. Core message of this chapter: if it's not automated, it's too easy to procrastinate. Financial success isn't about big wins. It's about consistency and smart systems. Now ask yourself, are your savings and investments on autopilot? Or are you still relying on manual and emotional decisions? In the next chapter, we'll learn why retirement planning isn't just a future topic. It's what gives you freedom today. Chapter 7. If not now, then when? Start planning for retirement today. David Bach shares a tough but necessary truth. If you don't plan your own retirement, no one else will. Many women put off retirement planning, thinking they'll do it later, when income increases or once the kids are settled. But David says, don't wait. Start now. Retirement Fund, a tree that grows with time. Retirement planning isn't boring or scary. It's a mix of freedom today and security tomorrow. David explains that even if you start with a small amount every month and invest in the right accounts, like 401k IRA in the US, that money can grow into millions over time. Compound interest doesn't just grow your money, it frees you from anxiety about the future. Relying on others is risky. Many women believe their employer or husband will handle their retirement. But David is clear. You are your own best financial advisor. Depending on someone else means handing over control of your future. Whether you're employed, a freelancer, or a homemaker, you must take ownership of your retirement. Are you ready? David gives you a simple checklist. Do you have a retirement account? Are you investing in it monthly? Do you know how much you'll need to retire comfortably? Have you visualized your future lifestyle? If any answer is no, that's your signal to start today. Even small steps matter. Core message of this chapter. The sooner you start planning for retirement, the sooner you stop worrying about it. Retirement isn't a distant dream. It's a real goal that becomes possible with smart planning. A question to reflect on. If the future version of you met you today, would she thank you for starting early or complain that you waited too long? In the next chapter, we'll explore how to build a purpose-focused plan. That's not just about money, but about creating a life full of meaning and satisfaction. Chapter 8. Build a purpose-focused financial plan. David Bach says, "Money isn't just for paying bills. It's a powerful tool to help build your dream life." In this chapter, David shows us your financial plan shouldn't just be about numbers. It should be connected to your heart and purpose. Why purpose matters. Many women struggle to save because they don't have a clear reason why. Ask yourself, why am I saving money? What is this money really for? What does my dream life look like? If you're not clear on your why, you'll never feel motivated to save or invest. Clarify your dreams. David suggests a fun, powerful exercise. Identify your values. Do this. 1. Take a blank sheet of paper and write down the things that matter most to you. For example, family security, freedom, health, creativity, giving back. 2. Then ask, is my money supporting these values? Or am I just caught up in daily expenses? When your money reflects your values, every expense and investment starts to feel meaningful. Design a value-based spending plan. You don't need a strict budget. You need a plan that respects your priorities. For example, if travel is important, allocate money monthly to a travel fund. If giving matters, set a budget for donations or charitable causes. What smart women do. Smart women don't save randomly. They know exactly what every dollar is supporting. David puts it perfectly. Money is not the goal. Living your values is the goal. Core message of this chapter. Money becomes powerful when it's tied to your heart's true purpose. Saving without purpose is like starting a journey without a map. So now ask yourself, are the way you earn and spend money today aligned with the life you truly want to live? In the final chapter, we'll learn how to turn your full financial plan into an actionable blueprint you can start using right now. Chapter 9. Take action. Make your smart plan a reality. In the final chapter, David Bach gives us one vital truth. Knowledge only works if you take action. You've now identified your values, your goals, and your financial habits. Now it's time to build a concrete plan and start immediately. 7-Day Financial Challenge, your starter plan. David gives us a simple yet powerful 7-day challenge. Day 1. Write down your financial dream. What do you truly want? A house? Retirement? Travel? Day 2. Identify your top 5 values. What matters most in your life? Day 3. List your bank accounts and spending habits. Where is money coming from? And where is it going? Day 4. Find your latte factor, those small daily expenses that could be saved. Day 5. Set up automated savings. Pay yourself first every month. Day 6. Open an investment account. Start small, but be consistent. Day 7. Review your full financial plan. Pick one day a week to check in and adjust. Now it's time for financial confidence. David says, smart women plan their money in a way that lets them live their best life, not just get by. Smart women handle money with purpose, not fear. So stop procrastinating. Take the driver's seat in your financial journey. Final message of this chapter. Action is the bridge between dreams and reality. You now have the knowledge. You have the roadmap. Now it's your turn to build the life you've always imagined, through your money. Final words. Now you know, smart women don't just save money. They align their money with their purpose and build a life they truly love. David Bach's book shows us, money isn't just a numbers game. It's a mindset, and any woman, regardless of her age, income, or background, can develop that mindset. If this video opened your eyes, share it with a sister or friend who's ready to take control of her financial life. And remember, earning money is important, but using it wisely is what gives you power. If you want more life-changing book wisdom, explained in an easy and emotional way. Subscribe to Invested Intellect, because here, we don't just read books. We feel them. See you soon with another powerful book. Until then, take charge of your finances and finish rich.